Simple Denmark civil economy. In the video, we will see circles. Question number 4. In figure, angle ABC is equal to 69, angle ACB equal to 31. Find angle BDC. So first triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 69, angle C is equal to 31. Angle some property padi, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. So 69 angle A plus 69 plus 31 equal to 180. Angle A is equal to idhu add panna 100. So 180 minus 100 equal to angle A is equal to 80 degree. So idhula 80 kadachirichu. Ana angle A is equal to angle D. Reason enadhu? Angle is in the same circle, same segment. So இது 80 போது angle D யும் 80 தான். நம்மள கேட்டிருக்க ஆன்சர் 80.